The Alienware AW2524HF gaming monitor is a true powerhouse developed to elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level. With its 24.5-inch fast IPS panel and full HD resolution, it offers a visually stunning and responsive gaming platform. What truly sets this monitor apart is its overclocked 500Hz refresh rate, surpassing the standard 480Hz. This enhanced refresh rate ensures incredibly smooth gameplay, making it especially well-suited for fast-paced games, where split-second reactions can make all the difference. To complement its high refresh rate, the Alienware also supports AMD FreeSync Premium and VESA Adaptive Sync technologies. These features work in tandem to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering, providing a seamless and immersive gaming experience. Say goodbye to the frustration of visual artifacts disrupting your gameplay. One of the standout features of this monitor is its rapid 0.5 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time. This minimal response time effectively reduces motion blur, ensuring that fast-moving objects in your games are rendered with utmost clarity. You'll never miss a crucial detail in the heat of battle. The Alienware doesn't just excel in performance, it also delivers when it comes to visuals. With 99% sRGB coverage, it offers vibrant and accurate colors. HDR10 support further enhances the dynamic range, allowing you to experience games and media content with stunning contrast and depth. The monitor's 400 nits of brightness ensure that even in well-lit environments, your visuals remain sharp and vivid. For gamers concerned about their eye health during extended gaming sessions, the Alienware has you covered. It boasts of low blue light certification, reducing potentially harmful blue light emissions. This feature promotes comfortable and eye-friendly gaming, allowing you to play for hours without straining your eyes. In terms of versatility, this gaming monitor offers a wide range of viewing angles, with 178-degree vertical and horizontal coverage. Additionally, it provides practical adjustability features such as tilt and rotation, allowing you to customize your setup for optimal comfort. With built-in cable management, you can maintain a clean and organized gaming station, keeping your focus on the action. Connectivity options are abundant, catering to diverse user requirements. With 2 DP 1.4 ports, 1 HDMI 2.1 port, and 5 USB 3.2G and 1 ports, you have the flexibility to connect multiple devices and peripherals effortlessly. In terms of appearance and dimensions, the Alienware monitor, including the stand at its lowest height setting, measures 39.051 by 55.514 by 24.371 centimeters, and weighs approximately 3.65 kilograms without the stand. Power consumption typically hovers around 18.5 watts, but can reach a maximum of 75 watts when required, ensuring energy efficiency when not in peak use. Alienware, the esteemed gaming-focused sub-brand of Dell, has recently made waves in the gaming monitor market with its latest release, the AW2524HF. Gamers and enthusiasts in China can now get their hands on this cutting-edge gaming monitor, as it is available for purchase on various Chinese e-commerce platforms. Price is 64.99 yuan, which translates to approximately $904. The monitor offers an exceptional gaming experience that is well worth the investment. The monitor was officially unveiled by Alienware in August, generating significant anticipation and excitement among the gaming community. With its high-performance specifications and innovative features, it's no surprise that it has garnered attention and become a sought-after product for gamers in China and around the world. As a testament to Dell's commitment to innovation, they have also introduced other exciting monitor options. The 24-inch USB-C hub monitor with 10-point multi-touch support and an Ethernet port is perfect for those seeking versatility and connectivity. Additionally, the Dell P3424WE, a 34-inch curved monitor with USB-C hub and KVM switch, is an ideal choice for home office setups, providing the necessary tools for productivity and convenience. With these new offerings, Dell continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of monitors, catering to the evolving needs of users. Thank you for watching this video. You can also watch other videos about monitors on our channel. Have a nice day and good luck.